Have you ever wanted to start your first photo project but didn't know where to begin? Don't worry. Today, I'll guide you step by step to create your very first theme-based photo story. Simple, fun, and creative. Let's get started. The first step is to choose a simple theme. It could be something from your everyday life, like morning moments, my street, or things that shine. The key is, keep it small and personal. Next, plan your 5 photos. Think of them like scenes in a mini-movie. Each one tells part of your story. For example, if your theme is morning moments, photo 1, the sunrise through your window. Photo 2, steam rising from your coffee. Photo 3, a quiet street on your way out. Photo 4, light hitting your desk. Photo 5, a reflection of you starting your day. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on consistency and mood. Try shooting from different angles and lighting. Then, choose your best 5 that connect naturally. Think emotion first, technique second. Once your 5 photo story is ready, please share it. Please post it on Instagram, a blog, or even print it out. Reflect on what worked and what you do differently next time. That's how photographers grow. So, what will your first photo project be? Start small, stay curious, and keep capturing stories that matter to you. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting. For more emotional photography tips, subscribe and join the journey, Lens of Emotion.